to Soup Up recipes. Today we're making sweet and sour bellfish, Tang Cu Dai Yu. Tang Cu means sweet and sour. It's a popular flavor in Chinese cuisine, which has many versions such as chicken, pork, ribs. You can use other types of fish, but bellfish is a classic.
The fish that I got, the inner organs are already removed, so I don't need to do that. It doesn't have scales, but it has a shiny metallic silver skin. We want to remove that by using a clean stainless steel scrubber. This is an optional step, but if you don't remove the silver skin, it will be harder to get a golden brown color when we deep fry the fish. Also, the silver skin would discolor the sauce, which makes the dish less pretty in presentation. Rinse it with clean water. Compared to before, it should look like this. Next, we will remove the fin. Some people use scissors to cut it, but for bellfish, there is a better way. You just use a paper towel to grab it from one side. It will take a little force to get started, but once you pull it out a little bit, the rest will just follow right away. There you go. How easy is that? Cut it into manageable pieces. We rinsed the fish with water before, so you do want to use paper towels to absorb the excess moisture. Put all the pieces into a big bowl. 4 cloves of garlic, 2 inches of ginger, 2 pieces of scallion. Use a cleaver to smash them to release the flavor. Add them to the fish along with 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorns, 1½ tablespoon of Scallion wine, ½ tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well, cover with a plastic wrap, and let it sit for 1 hour. During this time, we can make the sweet and sour sauce. You will need 1/4 cup of sugar, 2½ tablespoons of soy sauce, 2½ tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You can also use Chinese black vinegar. I just ran out of it today, so I use white vinegar. This is an optional ingredient, preserved plums. It is sweet, sour, and savory. The flavor fits really well with this dish. This is what I'm using. It is a popular Chinese snack. You should be able to get it in most Asian markets. Of course, if you can't buy it, you can just leave it. Last, add ½ cup of water. Stir to dissolve the sugar. Set it aside. Now, we're gonna deep fry the fish. Add 1½ cup of oil. While it is heating, check the fish. Remove all the aromatics. Once the oil temperature reaches 360 degrees Fahrenheit, add the fish in one by one. Keep the heat at medium or medium-low. This is not a recipe for you to enjoy the natural, fresh fish taste, so don't worry about overcooking it. We want to slowly fry the fish and evaporate some of the moisture, so the fish will be able to absorb the sauce later. Here, if you didn't remove the silver skin before, you won't be able to get this beautiful golden brown color. It needs about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Take them out, set it aside. Get your wok ready, add a tablespoon of oil, toss it around. Don't need to wait for the oil to get hot. Throw in 4 cloves of garlic, 4 slices of ginger, and 3 pieces of dried red chilies. Stir them until fragrant. Pour in the sauce along with the fried fish. Adjust them so all the pieces are touching the sauce. Bring this to a boil. Turn the heat to low, cover it, let it simmer for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, flip all the pieces over to let the other side to touch the sauce as well. Cover it, let it simmer for another 5 minutes, and you're done. I know, this is a dish that will make you feel guilty but good at the same time. The sauce is the key. Look how glossy that is. It is perfect to drizzle over the white rice. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds and a little bit of diced scallion as garnish. The fish is deep fried and then simmered in the sauce, so it absorbed lots of flavor, sweet, sour, and savory. You can also get a bit spicy kick from the chilies. I didn't take a detailed shot of the garlic, but it really amazed me. It's just soft, a bit creamy, sticky, and garlicky, of course. If you like garlic, you should just use more garlic than what I use.
I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment, let me know how it goes. As always, you can click the link in the description and find the printable recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!